Danny from Splash's education team, and I'm super excited that you're here to check out our August 2020 release video. This month has been all about us making connections, from syncing up with webinar tech to closing the loop with guest surveys. Let's go check it out.
Hey, how's it going? My name is Brett. I'm here today to tell you about our new ON24 and Zoom webinar integrations. Simply put, these integrations allow you to create an event in Splash and have that create a corresponding webinar in either ON24 or Zoom. As guests RSVP in Splash, they'll automatically sync over in either of those systems, and after the event is over, we'll get that data back into Splash.
Zoom and On24 are two of the most widely requested webinar platforms our customers have asked for. Splash now provides a solution that meets the market's demands, allowing you to shine internally by being able to prove the value of your webinars, because now you have the data to do that. We heard you, and now we're delivering.
Hello. This month, due to incredibly popular demand, Splash is releasing a new branded theme specifically geared towards surveys.
For years, my customers have been asking, how can I launch a really quick survey for my event? And now with survey branded theme, we make it easy. This is going to be a huge game changer in making sure our event hosts can launch events and now surveys so easily you want to do it over and over again.
The survey branded theme includes sections for downloadable content and images, plus hidden venue and date elements as optional content, just in case you have a need for a very simple event page in which the primary focus is going to be on an inline registration form. Have fun using it and happy designing.
Hi, my name is Lizzie Hinman-Harvey and I'm product manager at Splash. This month, we're going to be releasing a new concept in our product open beta. It's called the library. Think about the library like a kit of parts, where you can design and configure all the parts needed to make an event. We're starting with themes and forms, but we'll be adding more parts in the future.
You can create a form one time with all of your compliant information, such as your GDPR question, and all of the advanced features like conditional logic and making sure your integrations are just perfect, and then apply that form to multiple themes. That really cuts down on creating the forms, and it also cuts down on managing the forms. We need to make a small edit. Instead of making it on a per theme basis, you can make it one time and ensure that it's right.
Scale like a pro and sign up for this open beta program.
And there you have it for this month's release. I hope you're as pumped as I am to deliver virtual events that connect all the dots. Can't wait for you to see what we have coming for you in September. See you soon.